Okay, so now we're going to talk about soldering components to conductive thread. First, we're going to do our through-hole component. As you can see here, I've got a resistor that has been sewn into my circuit here. So this is already pretty secure. At this point, soldering is just going to really reinforce it, but we'll go ahead and see how to do that now. So I've got my soldering iron all heated up. And before I use it, I like to take it and sort of give it a clean in my brass. If you have a sponge, you can clean it there too. I also have my solder. And what I want to do is place my solder over the thread and then place my iron down. Try not to spend too much time having it heat up. And then you can see the solder will pull and go around the component. Right? Let's try that one more time. I'm going to turn it around. Again, I'm going to apply my solder to the thread and then heat the thread with my iron. And then that's going to eventually melt the solder into the thread. And then the last thing that I'm going to want to do is check for continuity between the thread and the end of my component. So I'll bring my multimeter over here so you can see. We'll check here. There we go. And we'll check here. And that looks good. So that is one way to solder through hole components.